Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Subaru fuel pump recall. And not too long ago we had seen the Toyota Lexus recall. So these may be related from the same manufacturer. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon if you want to be notified new videos. And I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. So I made this video to help others that are looking for a Subaru or people that own a Subaru to be aware of this recall. Okay, it looks like Subaru is having a recall on many of their vehicles for stalling risk. So this affects a number of vehicles and the fuel pump is to blame. And this fuel pump is similar to the one in the Toyota party. So you're having the same issues. And let's see, the article goes on to say if you have a 2019 Subaru, you may have an important repair coming. So more than 188,000 Impreza sedans and hatchbacks, Outback wagons, legacy sedans, and Accent SUVs may have a faulty fuel pump that can cause the engine to stall. Of course, that could increase the risk of a crash. All right, so definitely you need to be really careful about this. Before a stall occurs, drivers may notice that the engine runs rough, shaking, or making unusual loud noises, or see the check engine light illuminated on the dashboard. In some cases, the vehicle may not start. Probably better not to start, I guess. Subaru says it's unaware of any crashes or injuries related to this issue. Recall work will begin in June 5th, 2020. And more details over here. So it looks like it started from June 18th, 2018 in NHTSA to February 25th, 2019. Outback is around mid-June as well, and later part of June, and to February 19. The Accent is from June 26th to February 18. So as I mentioned earlier, a faulty fuel pump can develop cracks and fail, which may prevent the vehicle's engine from starting or cause it to stall while it's running. So the fix is basically to replace the fuel pump with a redesigned one free of charge beginning June 5th, 2020. So owners may contact Subaru customer service number over here, and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration campaign number is this one over here. You need to look it up. And Subaru's number for this recall is WRD-20. So I'll put the link in the description, by the way, for this article in particular, or any other info that may be relevant. Check whether your vehicle has an open recall. This is the NHTSA, the government website that you could do that. You can put in your VIN number, which is the vehicle identification number. Usually it's on the left side of the windshield. Then you can probably find out if your car's affected. So this problem's been, coming up with a number of vehicles, probably the same manufacturer of the fuel pump, which has the problem. So it hit the Toyota and Lexus not too long ago. So now this time is Subaru's turn. I wouldn't be surprised to see other car makers run the similar problems. Just be aware. I thought to make this video to help y'all and help keep you informed and for this recall. Appreciate a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.